Give me 1 minute and I'll show you how Composer can help you automate your workflows quickly. Cloud Composer is a managed Apache Airflow service that helps you create, schedule, monitor, and manage workflows. Composer workflows can connect data, processing, and services in Google Cloud, other public clouds, and on-premise environments. Because it is built upon open-source Apache Airflow, users are free from lock-in and benefit from the community's active and rich library of connectors and plugins. Interacting with Composer is easy. You can use the Cloud Console, G-Cloud command line tool, or use the API with client libraries of your choice. Start by creating a Composer environment where you configure your pipeline with directed acyclic graphs. A DAG defines the tasks and dependencies that are part of your workflow and is written using Python. Deploy your workflow and then monitor it in the Airflow UI and in Cloud Monitoring. Use Composer to orchestrate your ETL pipelines that process data in your data warehouse and data lake, or use it to automate analytics and machine learning jobs. So next time you are looking to configure and orchestrate workflows, take a minute to look at Composer. To learn more, check out cloud.google.com/composer.